So hello aviation lovers, very good afternoon to all guys. My name is AASHISH Kumar Sahu and guys welcome you all in my YouTube channel Aviation Live. So guys, if you are new in my channel, do press the bell notification icon and press the subscribe button so you can be updated with the latest new airlines job. So guys, without any further delay, let's start the video. So guys, before starting the video, I want to share some important information that every day at night 8 p.m. I used to come live in the YouTube so that I can clear your basic doubts regarding each and everything regarding the interview, regarding the CV, regarding the CV shortlisting, regarding the interview strategy, regarding each and everything regarding the airlines interview, regarding the jobs, regarding the company. I used to discuss every day at night 8 p.m. So if you are interested, if you want to know much more regarding the airlines interview, if you want to grasp the opportunity, and if you want to work in the airlines interview, do attend my daily 8 p.m. live session. Guys, one more thing is that do join my Telegram channel where you will be getting the latest job update and latest job vacancies, new videos, and lot of much more things. So guys, do join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. So guys, without any further delay, let's start the video. So guys, if you have watched the thumbnail, it's clearly mentioned that this vacancy is for the Star Air. So Star Air is hiring freshers. So guys, if you are fresher, what? If you are fresher and if you want to crack the airlines interview and if you want a job in airlines industry, buddy, this video is for you. In this video, I'll be telling each and everything in very detailed manner that how to apply, how much salary you will be getting, at which place you will be working, and what are the duties which you will be performing, and how to apply each and everything, and what is the minimum education qualification required for this kind of job. So the guys, first we'll be dealing with the what kind of minimum education qualification required in this job. So guys, it's clearly mentioned that 10+2 or graduate. So if you click on the vacancy as mentioned the Star Air website, so it's clearly mentioned that you should have at least 10+2, means 10+2 pass, right? So you should be having at least 12th pass or at least be a graduated or graduated. It's not mentioned that and graduated, it's mentioned that or graduated. So if you're a graduated in BSc, BCom, BBA, MBA, something like that, anything, or BTech or BE, guys, you will be the person who are fitting in the minimum eligibility criteria. For example, if you are 12th pass, you are also fitting in the eligibility criteria. So it's clearly mentioned or. Now guys, coming to next thing is I mentioned that experience. It's clearly mentioned that 1 to 2 year experience years preferred. Ex-fresher can apply, right? So suppose if you're having work experience, you will be preferred. It doesn't mean that you will be selected, right? Preference will be given. It doesn't mean that you will be selected. Freshers can apply and freshers can also be selected. Guys, one more thing is that every time I got selected in my previous job, previous interviews, I got selected as a fresher, right? So no need to worry. Airlines give job to freshers. Indigo gives, SpiceJet gives, a lot of the airlines, they give job to freshers. So Star Air is also giving opportunity to freshers. Now guys, coming to next thing is that what will be your duties and job responsibility. So your duty and job responsibility will be is that to work at tarmac, work at BB area, BM area, and there to operate X-ray machine and perform security related duties of BMA, maintain surveillance and duties regarding security officer, because guys, this post is for the security officer. Now guys, coming to next thing is that what kind of vacancies we have. So vacancies for the Nagpur base, Jamnagar base and Surat base, right? So if you got selected, you have to work at Nagpur, Jamnagar and Surat. Now guys, coming to next thing is that hello everyone guys, मेरा नाम आशीष कुमार साहू और guys मैं हूँ एक्स एयरलाइंस एम्प्लॉय. गाइस मैंने अब तक क्रैक किए हैं 6 ग्राउंड स्टाफ का इंटरव्यू और 1 कैबिन क्रू का इंटरव्यू, और अब तक मेरे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट से टोटल हो चुके हैं 100+ सिलेक्शन, जिसमें से गाइस बहुत सारे लोग एयरलाइंस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं एज अ ग्राउंड स्टाफ, एज अ कैबिन क्रू, एज अ रैंप एजेंट, सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर, कस्टमर सर्विस ऑफिसर, सारे डिपार्टमेंट हमारे क्रैश कोर्स के स्टूडेंट लगे हुए हैं. गाइस अब तक हमारे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट से टोटल हो चुके हैं 100+ लोग सेलेक्ट. अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं कौन कौन लोग सेलेक्ट हुए हैं तो आप हम जा सकते हैं हमारे इंस्टाग्राम की आईडी में जिसका नाम है एविएशन लाइफ _2020 और बगल में आ रहा होगा, आप वहाँ देख सकते हैं. वहाँ पे सारे स्टूडेंट्स के इन्फॉर्मेशन दिए हुए हैं, प्लस अगर आप कभी और उनके वीडियोस भी हैं जो कि इंटरव्यू कंटेंट करके प्लेलिस्ट है, उसमें हमारे उनके सारे वीडियोस दिए हुए हैं. गाइस एक चीज़ और कि आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं हमारा ऐप एविएशन लाइफ और उसमें बहुत सारी एलिट कंटेंट है जिसे आप देख सकते हैं और बन सकते हैं एयरलाइंस इंडस्ट्री में ग्राउंड स्टाफ और कैबिन क्रू। गाइस एक चीज़ और कि मैं जो है लोगों को घर बैठे बैठे पढ़ाता हूँ, उनको देता हूँ घर बैठे ऑनलाइन कोचिंग। तो गाइस आप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं मेरा ऑनलाइन कोचिंग घर बैठे बैठे और बन सकते हैं एयरलाइंस इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा और कर सकते हैं दुनिया का कोई भी एयरलाइंस का ग्राउंड स्टाफ इंटरव्यू क्रैक। गाइस मेरे पास है वो सीक्रेट स्ट्रैटेजी, सीक्रेट टिप्स, सीक्रेट ट्रिक्स जिसे आप इंटरव्यू में बोलेंगे और आप हो जाएंगे सिलेक्ट। तो हमारे पास बहुत तरह के क्रैश कोर्स हैं। पहले तो हमारा क्रैश कोर्स है वो 499 रुपये का है, जो कि हमारे ऐप एविएशन लाइफ में अवेलेबल है। आप वहाँ जाके देख सकते हैं, वहाँ बाय कर सकते हैं। दूसरा जो हमारा क्रैश कोर्स है वो ग्राउंड स्टाफ का क्रैश कोर्स, जिसमें आपको ग्राउंड स्टाफ की इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस के बारे में पूरा बताऊंगा और आप हो जाएंगे सिलेक्ट। और ये जो है कोर्सेज लाइव चलेंगे गूगल मीट में, जिसमें मैं आपको आमने सामने बैठ के पढ़ाऊंगा और आपका सीवी भी बनाऊंगा। तीसरा हमारा क्रैश कोर्स है वो कैबिन क्रू क्रैश कोर्स, और इसमें भी सेम होगा। और मैंने खुद गो एयर का कैबिन क्रू का इंटरव्यू निकाला है, तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा सारे टिप्स, सारे ट्रिक्स। इवन तो हमारे बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स ने कैबिन क्रू का इंटरव्यू भी निकाला है और वो आज के डेट में वर्किंग है एयरलाइंस इंडस्ट्री में। तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं हमारा कैबिन क्रू क्रैश कोर्स, जिसकी भी सेम फीस है 3000 रुपीज। उसमें बनाऊंगा सीवी और बताऊंगा A to Z चीजें और बताऊंगा बहुत सारी सीक्रेट ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स। गाइस एक चीज और, हमारा एक और क्रैश कोर्स है। अगर आपकी इंग्लिश वीक है तो मैं और मेरा भाई दोनों एयरलाइंस के एम्प्लॉय, हम आपको बताएंगे कि इंग्लिश स्पोकन कैसे इंप्रूव करना है, क्या क्या चाहिए, कैसे इंग्लिश चाहिए। तो प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग होगी गूगल मीट में, वो और मैं मिलकर पढ़ाएंगे आपको और देंगे प्रॉपर कोचिंग ताकि आप कर सके अपनी इंग्लिश स्पोकन इंप्रूव। गाइस एक चीज और कि एक और कोचिंग अवेलेबल है, जिसका जो है गाइस वन मोर फाइनल एलिट कोचिंग, कि अगर आप वन ऑन वन बैठ के पढ़ना चाहते हैं, वन ऑन वन मेरे से सारे डाउट्स क्लियर करना चाहते हैं, वन ऑन वन बैठ के पढ़ना चाहते हैं, तो उसका भी एक क्रैश कोर्स अवेलेबल है जो कि जिसकी कॉस्ट है 10,000 रुपीज। तो आप वो भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। तो हमारे पास हर तरह के क्रैश कोर्सेस अवेलेबल हैं फ्रॉम 4,999 टू 10,000 रुपीज। So guys, this is the best time to join the airlines industry. This is the best time to join airlines industry. This is the best time to crack एयरलाइंस इंडस्ट्री का ग्राउंड स्टाफ का इंटरव्यू, कैबिन क्रू का इंटरव्यू। गाइस मैंने एक चीज देखी कि बहुत से इंस्टीट्यूट जो हैं 1.5 से 2 लाख रुपए चार्ज करते हैं, तो मैंने देखा कि बहुत चीजें गलत हो रही है। गाइस एक चीज और कि इस चीज से इस किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट को ज्वाइन करने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप घर बैठे बैठे खुद से तैयारी करके भी इंटरव्यू निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको चाहिए प्रॉपर कोचिंग, प्रॉपर गाइडेंस और चाहते हैं इंटरव्यू क्रैक करना, तो गाइस फटाफट से भेजिए मैसेज मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे जो कि 7999508444 और फटाफट से क्रैश कोर्स में एनरोल कीजिए और ज्वाइन कीजिए हमारा क्रैश कोर्स। और हर संडे मैं आता हूँ लाइव, हर संडे गाइस, हर संडे कंडक्ट होता है लाइव वेबिनार जिसमें आप पूछ सकते हैं डाउट्स एंड ये सब चीज़ें। और डेली रात के मैं आता हूँ गाइस 8 बजे लाइव। तो यूट्यूब में मेरा लाइव सेशन अटेंड कीजिए और ज्वाइन कीजिए हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल भी, जिसका लिंक दिया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में। तो गाइस दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द वीडियो, और वीडियो को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी दे आर लुकिंग फॉर? सो दे आर लुकिंग फॉर दोज पर्सनैलिटी हु आर हार्ड, हु आर टफ, हु कैन वर्क इन रोटेशनल शिफ्ट, हु कैन वर्क इन नाइट शिफ्ट, हु कैन वर्क इन एडवर्स वेदर कंडीशन. So guys, security is a profession where they want a person who can work in rotational shift, who can work in night shift, who can work in adverse weather condition. Because if you're joining airlines as a customer service, you'll be joining inside and you'll be working inside an airport premises. But if you are joining the airlines as a security, will be the person who will be working outside the airport premises. Right? So here you have to face a lot of weather condition. For example, if it's raining, you have to work. If it's snow, you have to work. If it's weather condition, it's hot summer, you have to work, right? So at any weather condition, you have to work. Now guys, coming to next thing is that the age. So here in this job position, here in this recruitment, the age is not mentioned, right? Age is not mentioned. Okay. What other things are mentioned? Preferably female candidates. So if you're a female watching this video, you will be given preference. And guys, now there is nothing like that ki why male, why not female, why female, why not male, because there might be need of a female staff. For example, if 2 female are fighting in airport premises, I will not go in between and I will interrupt. I will send the female colleague, female staff to go and interrupt, right? So there are a lot of reasons that they are hiring female. Now guys, the next thing is that it's clearly mentioned that good verbal communication skills, right? So your communication skills plays an important role. So now should be fluent in English and Hindi, which is mandatory. So it's clearly mentioned that you should be fluent in English as well as Hindi, both the language, which is mandatory. Mandatory means it should be. Now guys, it's clearly mentioned graduate in vertical, AFSEC, certification, skill and valid certification. If you have, you will be getting preference. Now guys, coming to next thing is what will be salary. Salary will be approx between 20 to 25,000, depend on the position. And I guess this is for the fresher. So your salary will be between 20 to 25,000 or 18,000 to 22,000. So I have mentioned each and everything in a very detailed way. Now guys, coming to next thing is that how to apply. So for applying, you have to click on the apply button. Once you click on the apply button, new portal will come. Here you have to fill the form. For example, in the first name, last name, email address, phone number, contact number, region, state, provision, postal code, education, each and everything you have to fill, work experience, also update your CV, and finally you will submit. So guys, this is how you will apply for the star year. This is the vacancy for freshers for the job location of Jamnagar base, Nagpur base, and Surat. Right, this is a place where the star year operates, and if you got selected in the interview, you will be working at Jamnagar, Surat, and Nagpur. So a lot of people from Nagpur, they used to come to join our coaching. I guess very less people from the Jamnagar. I have never met any student from Jamnagar, but yeah, a lot of students are there from Nagpur. So if you are watching this video, Nagpur students, you can apply for this job. Now guys, coming to most important thing is that the age is not mentioned. So if age is not mentioned, so any age bar can go through it, right? If its age is not mentioned, you can go through it, you can easily apply through it here if the age bar is not mentioned, right? What is happening nowadays is that airlines, they used to mention the age bar. So if it's not mentioned the age bar, then consider it as a 32, go and give the interview, you will be selected. So guys, you can also watch the playlist, you can also join our crash course, and you can also take proper coaching, professional coaching, which is very cheap, and with very less fees, we are making the students coached and they are cracking the interview. We have 100 plus selection within 9 months. So itself, it's a record. None of the aviation institute have achieved this kind of things, and I don't think so that in future they will do it also, because we'll be breaking the record again. I will making the students much more get selected as fast as we can, right? So these are the things. This was all about the video, and I don't think that anything has been left. For example, we have discussed about salary, we have discussed about the job location, we have discussed about what kind of personality they are looking for, we have discussed about the salary, we have discussed about how to apply, we have discussed about what kind of job and responsibility it will be, right? So this was all about the video, and do join the crash course if you want to crack airlines interview, if you want guidance, if you want a level of guidance so that you can crack any airlines interview. Guidance plays a very important role, guys. Remember one thing, right? Some student become a cabin crew at the age of 18, but some student become the cabin crew at the age of 28. What's the difference? Difference is all about the guidance. So guys, this was all about the video. I guess you liked it. If you liked it, do press the like button, do press the subscribe button, please. As this was all about the video, guys, bye bye, take care, namaskar, and Jai Hind to all.